This is my OpenTemp project, a compact thermal imager and infrared thermometer that was designed for pocketability and high accuracy. It's an incredibly useful tool for troubleshooting unusual heating, checking surface temperatures, presence detection, and even possible medical applications. A trade-off with refresh rate yields a close-up temperature accuracy tolerance of 0.2 degrees Celsius. In addition to its ability to freeze thermal scans, it allows it to be used reliably in non-contact temperature measurements. Running on a STM32 with thermal imaging handled by a MLX90640, it's also quite affordable to build. Extra data, including the maximum and minimum detected temperature, allows it to be useful in other applications as well, such as hot or cold spot identification. The battery is also monitored live, giving you the real-time voltage. Above it is the point temperature reading, which will give you the temperature of the exact spot you pointed at, aim assisted by taking the center of 3 equally spaced projected dots. The center reading is an average reading of 4 far infrared pixels, perfect for precision applications where only the temperature of a specific section is desired. Utilizing a 1000 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery, it can last for long durations without a charge. However, when the time is right, it can easily be recharged via a USB-C cable in just a couple of hours. Of course, this project is completely open source, including the firmware and hardware, so you can feel free to make any adjustments you see fit, such as refresh rate changes or external modding using the extra broken out GPIOs. Debugging pins are also included in the case of any advanced modifications in which they may be needed. If you're watching on YouTube and are interested in learning more about this project, I explain everything in far more detail on my website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this demo.